Good morning, everyone. Probably the last shot into the shack. It's getting really cold in Quebec City, so it's for you. It's $1.75 of the gear pack subscription box, new gear. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. Yeah, it's going to be a short and cold video. The subscription box is split in basic plus, advanced, and ultimate. I do have the advanced level, so let's see what's in the basic one that cost $25 Canadian dollars. We start with a pen. A Zippo EDC pen, everyday carry. So it's nice. It's a nice pen. It's got a little weight to it, not too imposed, but it's gonna be my work pen, I guess. It's why not? It's a Zippo. So they say the value is like $22.99, $23. I've not looked up the price yet, so I would believe about to be the right price. Another of my favorite product made by a small shop in the States, that's coming back. It's Skull and Bone emergency candles. Let's see, 5 hours emergency candles. They come in a bag of 2. Their price level is about $12.99, so $6 each. The black wax, because it's a pirate team with a wick in the center, so 5 hours worth of candles. Well, both of them, it's 5 hours emergency candles, so you have 10 hours worth of it. $12.99. I would say it's a pretty good price. It's pretty fair price. If you do wax, if you do candles, you can make your own in those boxes, so yes, you can make them less expensive. Lux Pro Steel Straw and Cleaning Kit. You know, in today's non-plastic straw, and for backpacking, a stainless steel straw can be good. There is one problem with stainless. When it's hot or it's very cold, stainless is hot and very cold. So anybody knows a straw, this one is really small. Why did they say steel? No, they're titanium. Aha! Yeah, they say steel, but they got titanium. Titanium is less conducive of heat and is really lightweight and solid. This one is really small diameter, about 5 mil. So, and the brush is inside, so you carry them both together, so you can clean your straw after you drink in the woods. Straw, and you have a small bag made in cotton or burlap, and which can be used as a fuel for your fire. So a straw can have many utility. It can make you drink into puddles. It can get you to drink into crevices where you can't put your face. So a straw can be very useful. You can recover the water, spit it back out, recover the water, spit it back out, so that way you fill your container in cracks and nooks and cranny, and you have water. Titanium. I look forward trying this one, because with the stainless, as they say on their sheet, $8.99 for stainless steel. These must go for a lot more money. So maybe they ran out of stainless and they decided to use titanium, which is a bonus for me. I prefer titanium. It's supposed not to transmit as much heat and cold, so I will have to try those. Okay, let's do. You can see my breath coming out. It's cold in here. It's about what, 10, 20 Fahrenheit. Yeah, most likely 0 or below. I have to check. I'll go check my thermometer to tell you have a heater going on. It's almost 0, so I have a heater on over the camera, which is good because the camera doesn't get too cold and doesn't shut down, so it's pretty good. So 0 in here instead of minus 20 outside, or minus 15 with the wind and everything. So that covers the basic boxes, and the basic box is worth $44.97 again, and then again an excellent value. The two best items, the straw and the pen. The pen I'm going to be using this Monday as I'm working, so really love those pens. They're FT and everything, so it's good. Basic Plus, the knife. Well, this time the knife is a knife card. This Tool Logic Survival Card 2. We have a small knife. We've got a light with fire starting kit. Oh yeah, there's a ferro rod on it. There's tweezers. It's a red light on the card. Loud emergency signal whistle. Tweezer and toothpick, and inch and centimeter ruler printed on the card. So 7 item, not bad. We'll have to check it out. Those survival card can be good, can be it's always good to keep them into the box. Advance. Oh yeah, some of my favorite item in there. The 2 basic item was nice, but there's a nicer item. The Lux Pro lantern, mini rugged lantern. It is made in metal and plastic. It has everything to be trialed, and it lights pretty good. 150 lumen. That was one emitter, and the other is on the back side. So since it's a lantern, and it shined pretty good, and that's the charge it came with. Let's pull out this lantern. So basically you've got your classic lantern to suspend, to put it on this, you can put it on the side or anything, and you've got 2 emitters on each side, wide angle, and you've got the battery pack on the bottom. Basically, it's a 3 AA battery. So yeah, AA batteries are easy to come by. They are not that long lasting, but this is, they say that you can do 90 hour with the LED at the lowest level. So this one at the ultra low, which is 7 lumen, the high is 150, and the medium is 45 lumen. So you can light up to 10 meters at the highest, 10 meters at the medium setting. So basically in your tent, ideal. It is one of those lanterns. I have many now, even the UCO lantern with the candle. And that cost about $21. Oh, I didn't say the price of the multi-tool. The card, the survival card is $36. That alone is quite expensive, which brings the box to $81 for a cost of $49, which is good. And this one, the lantern, is $21. And the next one is a single point tactical sling. Yeah, these boxes are getting into the tactical a little. They're not changing, but they're new stuff. So if you are working with guns, it could be fun to see. Gear Pack Tactical. That's fun. That's a new series they started, and they're really good because if you're airsoft, well, you know all about it. If you're military, you'll most likely know everything about it. You've got your anchorage point here underneath this, and you suspend the weapon straight from the sling, and you can use it. So that's nice. Maybe one day I'll have a weapon to suspend to this, if the law permits. Of course. And we're getting crazier in law, so maybe not. So it has quick release on each side, and basically it's a nylon webbing with quick release and short cord in the middle. So that way, if you drop the weapon if you do it on purpose, the weapon is not gonna hit you like a brick. So that's still not that expensive. $30, $29.99 brings the value of the box to about 99. No, the value of the box, which costs $99, $233. A pretty good deal. Well, I'm making it short because I'm trying to make 4 videos, 2 in French after that, and then I have another video I'm trying to make to give you ideas for flashlight. So it's a preview you just received. So if you listen to this video, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you back in the next video.